8,180 square meters. Lot for sale at 350 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Located in Barangay Cantolaroy, Sibunga, Cebu, a mountain barangay in Sibunga province. It's a shortcut road from Sibunga to Dumanhog, Cebu. So naay provincial road from Sibunga to Dumanhog, Cebu, where the Cantolaroy, tanawalan niya sa Google guys, na diya makita ang Cantolaroy, Sibunga, Cebu. It has 35 meters wide frontage of the concrete road. So 35 ang buka sa concrete road nya going paingon sa likod. So mga 200 meters po guys paingon sa likod. So 35 meters is wide already. So kuan na gina siya guys, dako na sana kay imagine kanang maghimo bitaw gasoline station 20 to 25 ron na sila or 30. So kini 35 bigger yun, no? Then the lot the lot is good for farming or residential. So nindot guys sa tanuman. O makita man nato nakakuha na magkodihan dapita guys nga mao gyud na siya. Maayo gyud ang yuta. So good for farming and residential. Then transferred to the owner gyud ni siya. Nakapangan sa owner. Tibuok na ning ang tax declaration nabutang na sa owner. So there's no problem. Ya, buhi pa si owner. Wala problem, okay? So very nice. It's a southern part of Cebu province, which is around 2 hours drive from Cebu City. 2 ka oras, 2 hours and a half lang para di ta ma-short. Depende sa pagpadagan ni mga kanang wala sa traffic. Okay. So very nice property for sale. Then for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title and we will sell also subdivision and condominium. SMDC condominium pwede ta guys diya sa Manila, sa Cebu, anywhere in Bohol or any part of the country. Okay, thank you very much. God bless all.